Yes, welcome back. Search remote desktop connection on your Google Play Store. We want to, yeah, that's what we are looking for. That's made by Microsoft. That's the first one there. Microsoft Corporation. Don't select anyone use Microsoft products. Yes, already installed on my phone. So we want to set it up. We already have a virtual machine. If you watch the previous video on creation of virtual machine, I think you should have that one now. So just open. Then set up a user accounts, type in the IP of that server and the password given unto you by Amazon. If you haven't done that, please go and watch the previous video to set up your server before you do this. So we already have a user account connected. I want to complete the setup. Go to the home page, then add PC. Click the plus sign at the top right hand corner to add that PC. Like I told you, it's a virtual machine. So type in the IP address. That's it. Then click add user account. So select admin mode. Yeah. So you can just type in any name just in case you want to open more than one virtual machine so you can know which is which. So that's it. Then clipboard selected. All right. So then gateway. Want to add a gateway or just leave it out. That one is not necessary. Just copy in the exact IP address of that server. So we are connected. If you take it to this place that is wrong, what you do is that change that IP address to administrator. That's your username. Administrator, then type in the password. Sorry for that. It wasn't copied properly, I think. Oh, sorry. All right. Okay, there's a little bit of gap. All right. So type in administrator. Yeah, and the password to that server. Let's see. We are getting connected to our virtual laptop, or let me say virtual PC, virtual machine. Now that's it. Can you see it looks like your regular personal computer?